You are now tuned in to Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. I'm your girl, Shar'e. This is the Classic Men's Fashion Show 2021. I'm bringing you footage you won't see anywhere else. This episode is brought to you by The Retreat USA. It's a vibe. Make sure you grab your drinks, grab your snacks, because it's getting ready to go down live for the 2021 Classic Men's Fashion Show. Weren't able to attend this classic event? Don't worry, I got you covered. Make sure you don't go anywhere and stay tuned to Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. I'm your girl, Shar'e. Make sure you don't miss a beat. Stay up to date with me at soundtoshare.net and check out any show episodes that you may have missed. Also, make sure you get on over to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Terry Crony. Alright, now, are you ready? Well, get ready because the 2021 Classic Men's Fashion Show starts right now.
for sure. Silo, it's amazing. If y'all ain't here, y'all should have been here. It's phenomenal.
Are you ready for a VIP experience like no other? Well, we're here to serve it to you, only at the Retreat USA. Birthdays, anniversaries, launch parties, wedding receptions, and more. We are located at 120 East Market Street, Indianapolis, Indiana 46204, Suite 705, and now offering extended suite, Suite 777. The Retreat USA. It's a vibe.
Yo, what's going on? Mike Scott States, we out here supporting the city. Shout out to the city. It's crazy, for real, y'all. Hey.
Song with Boosie, I'ma play it tonight too.
We're on live. What'd you say?
Oh, he got a song with Boosie tonight.
Shouts out. We got DJ Mary Jane in the building. The one and only. Let them know where they can find your music at.
What's that?
Let them know where they can find your music.
On all platforms, iTunes, you know what I mean, Spotify, all that. Follow me, SK.P on all three platforms, just like that.
Y'all heard it here first. SK. Thank you for tuning in today on Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. I'm your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. Make sure you get on over to soundsofshare.net and check out part 2 of the 2021 Classic Men's Fashion Show launching tomorrow.